this is Ken from Klein Electronics, and I'm going to point out some features and benefits of our high noise headset series. First, I'm going to start with our single muff headset. Single muff refers to a single ear shell, and you'll see the stability band is over the top, meaning you wear the headset over the top of your head and you have an adjustable microphone. Single muff, leaving one ear open for ambient noise. On the ear shell is the push to talk button that will control your PTT with your radio. The other series is our Titan series. The Titan series, as you can see, is a dual muff headset, meaning there's two ear shells with dual speakers. The band comes along the rear for stability, and you have an adjustable Velcro strap that goes over your head for adjusting for a good fit. It also allows for the use of a hard hat or some other type of head protective gear. Both of our high noise headset lines require the purchase of an additional radio cable. The radio cable includes the end that goes into your radio, and we have all of the radio connectors, whether it's Motorola, Kenwood, Black Box, etc. The other end goes into the ear shell of the particular headset. As you can see, there's a female end with a 5-pin radio connector, and we have the tip, which is a 5-pole switchcraft connector that easily inserts into the ear shell. There's a button on the tip, and it inserts into the ear shell, and then to remove, you push the button down and remove it. That is the way that our high noise headset series works, with the cable being sold separately from the headset itself. Thank you.